Guys, I'm going to show how to restrict page access and Confluence. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So first open Confluence in your browser and log into your account. And here just head over to the left side bar and click on recent, for example. Choose one of your templates for spaces. So let's click on this space here. And choose one of these pages, for example, this page. And head over to the share button on the top right corner. Look to the pivot button, click on share. And here just choose to share this page with anyone with the link or anyone in the space. Choose the share options. If the user can edit or can also view the page, or you can choose also to restrict this page to only specific people can view or edit, and this page will be accessed only with people with the link. So you can copy the link and paste it, and this is how to restrict access to a page in Confluence. And this is pretty much it, guys. The work is done here. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.